The AI revolution is here. Well, it's actually been here. And if you haven't started using AI technology in what you're doing from your business to even just your personal, you're going to be left behind. Now, we have to understand that technology is changing so fast. It's never changed as fast as it has with using AI. AI first. The main thing you have to understand is it was meant to analyze and interpret data. Analyze and interpret data faster than ever. Amazing. But ChatGPT and some of these other programs is taking it to a place where it's getting kind of, disrespectful for some industries. For instance, when I first started doing business, one thing I was really good at business was graphics. I started doing graphics. I would use Photoshop, self-taught. Back in the days where, Photoshop was just the basic. So I had to learn a lot at the Photoshop. And I grew a graphic design business to like over $300,000 a year. So we was doing very well, started bringing in animation, different things like that. Later on, I just started hiring people, and I love watching people get creative. I love seeing someone maximize their potential, their talents. So that's what I always done. Things have changed. Just basic ChatGPT. When it first started out, the graphics were, it was okay. And these new updates, if you're a graphic designer, you need to figure out how can you incorporate this into what you're doing, because it's really about to come after the whole industry of graphics. If that's the only thing you're focusing on is graphic and building websites and stuff like that, you have to start changing and figuring out how can you innovate what you're doing. You have to innovate. Like, a lot of these industries are changing. So, and I said it in previous videos, AI is expected to take over 80 million jobs. They said it's going to create 100 million. So we're looking at a surplus of 20 million jobs. In every industrial style revolution, we went through this. Imagine when the computers and the automobiles, when we went into this big tech and everything started changing. You need to jump on the wave, because if you don't, what's going to happen is you're going to get left behind. And we're going to see so much of how AI is changing. And then get ready for the robots. The robots are coming. Some of them are here. Amazon, Alexa, these different things coming into your house. Technology is changing, and every sector of what we're doing is changing. So as a graphic designer, you do illustration, you do websites, any of this type of graphic industry, you need to start to master the AI technology. Whatever it is, start doing your research. And the thing you'll find out is it can actually enhance your skill set. There's so many ways of making money in this new technology, but you have to be ready, because it is coming. These new ChatGPT updates are insane. I just want you to really be prepared for what's happening, and you have to jump on. You have to make these changes. You write books, you do graphics, any of this stuff is being transitioned with AI. And then also understand the difference between assisted and generative AI. Assisted is your concepts, your thoughts, and it's just being enhanced using AI. Generative is just like you're saying, hey, create me a book, create me this logo, create me this thing, create me a name, and then that name, I want you to create a business, and I think I want to go into a t-shirt business, and then AI is just doing everything. The one thing you want to do is try to keep some of the human component and human interaction in there, so that you keep some of your creativity, because as long as you're doing the assisted, it's still some of your creativity that's involved. Another thing, anything that you had in the past, any graphics, any stories, any pictures, load them up to some of your chats and see, and let it analyze and interpret and give you insights and different things like that. Tell the AI, tell it what you do, and tell it the hurdles. We're struggling to get clients. You have to use it to your advantage. Don't be too scared or too afraid or too prideful to not jump in. It doesn't take that much time, but you have enough time right now the one thing you have to start looking at is a lot of people, they'll get these products and services, and the thing they don't understand is what do they do next. They'll get all this technology, they'll get this new graphic, they'll get this new book, they'll get this website, but the next thing is you have to launch. You have to get on your social medias, you have to build out your pages, you have to do the analytics, you have to do the automation. All this process and procedures still need to be set up or put into some type of database so that it can be automated. So I hope this helps you out, but just be prepared that whatever industry you're in, AI is touching it. We have a retail brand, we have models, we gotta do photo shoots, we gotta do video, we gotta do commercials, social media. We've almost eliminated models and photo shoots, videos, from actually paying actual people. We've actually created AI models that we create this avatar, and then they're consistent all the way through. I mean, you put them in these different scenes, the clothes, in the videos, they're walking. Guys, ladies, it is changing so fast, and you have to be prepared. So there's so many opportunities out there, but don't get too discouraged. When you get discouraged, there's always opportunity, at the horizon. So I wish you much success, and follow us as we continue to scale and grow your business.